观众朋友们，大家好，我是胡老板。今天我们要去干嘛？今天我们又要去试车啦。那这次要试的车是什么呢？是大家都应该还没有看过的 Lucid Air 的 Pure， 也就是最基本版本的 Lucid。好，那二话不说，我们赶快上路吧。好，那我们这次要试驾的这个 Lucid Pure 呢，这个版本呢是最基本款哦，它的起价是87400块钱美金哦。那原本我们是跟他讲说要测试这个只有单马达的这个版本，但今天呢很不巧，它只有双马达版本，所以我们今天就是最基本款的双马达版本。那双马达版本跟那个单马达起价差在5500块钱美金，所以87000多块加5000多块，等于就是92000，将近93000块钱的起价哦。那就是我们今天测试的这一款的车子哦。Is that you or is that the region?
Me.
Okay.
So the region is not very strong right now. So can we change it? I want to try it.
Put it in high for you. Yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah. To me, when I drive the cars, I always like to put them in high.
Yeah. I like the one pedal.
Yeah,
driving.
exactly.
Yeah, that's a benefit of
Yeah, for
when
sure.
I use it.
Then we'll make it right on PCH.
Okay.
Yep. And then we'll take this one to Jamboree, and then when you get to Jamboree, we'll make a right.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. And for level 2, has it been unlocked or is it still in the works?
So for level 2, in the drive. Yeah. So right now, this car will give you highway assist. It's geofenced to the highway, so you have that option to, it'll keep you in your lane for you, and then adaptive cruise control.
But how about like lane centering?
Lane centering is there also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it optional or does it come standard?
So the adaptive cruise comes standard. If you want to add the highway assist, that's an additional 10,000. Plus that, is more of a hardware upgrade as well as the software. And we'll take this all the way down to Bison and then make a left. We'll make a right on Bison.
Okay.
Yep. So you'll add that. Any autonomous features have to be added through the Dream Drive Pro. So the highway assist would be part of that $10,000 option. Man, if you wanted to go fast, we could have got the 1,050 horsepower car.
Well, I want to try what the base model
for
feels
sure,
like.
for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, we'd love to, but it's too pricey.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't want to get ourselves stuck in a point where...
that doesn't mean you can't drive it. I'll
Sure,
let you drive it.
But once you drive it, you don't go back.
That's the point.
Oh gosh.
So how many horsepower?
This one is 480.
Okay,
Yeah.
with dual motor.
With dual motor.
How
Single
about
motor is
single motor?
430.
Okay.
So
That's actually not bad.
3.7 0 to 60 in this, 4.2 0 to 60 in the single motor.
That's more than respectable.
Right. Anything under 4, anything close to 4 is going to be quick. Oh, now you got some Tesla right here.
But that's not plaid, so you're good.
Oh, yeah. I mean, the P100 will get you too a little bit.
Yeah.
I race this guy.
He's gone.
I like the ride, very smooth.
Yeah.
Other than the motor whine a little bit, it's very quiet.
Yeah, if there's when you have a little bit of music on,
Yeah,
or a little bit of radio, you won't hear it. then you have your navigation here, so you can have it up there as well as your navigation here.
Oh yeah.
You can kind of 3D it up close, so you have that option right there. And then you can turn the satellite pictures on, so you have a satellite version of that. And then when you take delivery of your vehicle, you can set up your Apple CarPlay if that's something that you like to take advantage of. Very simple through your connectivity on your car.
And over-the-air updates.
Correct.
Does this car have it?
Yep. Over there. Yep. All of our cars come standard with that. And performance. And at this light here, we'll make a left.
Not bad.
And then all of them right now come standard with the Alcantara and the wood. So this is, it was supposed to be an upgraded option, but we decided to give it to you as a no-cost option.
Do they have a regular?
So there's one that's like a cotton cloth, like a normal headliner that you would see. But in this, it's all Alcantara right now.
Got it. So it's like standard now, basically.
Correct. Yes, if you ordered a Pure today, you would have Alcantara headliner.
Got it. Yeah. Is there options to the steering wheel setting?
To like change it?
Make it harder or softer?
No, in terms of like the
steering ratio.
No, so that's when you're changing it from your drive modes.
Got it.
So like smooth, swift, and sprint. Yeah.
So if I do this, my steering wheel will be much more loose.
Right.
Compared to
compared to the other ones.
Got it.
Yeah, smooth is kind of the one that you would drive on a day-to-day basis. Swift is usually if you're going on some hills or some, really nice sharp turns.
Right.
And then sprint is the one that's going to give you, all horsepower, all torque.
Okay.
And then you'll get that, 0 to 60 second time frame.
Got it.
In that one.
I mean, it's still very responsive.
For
even
sure.
on smooth and swift. Both of them are very similar.
Yeah, you don't really feel much, personally, you don't really feel much between smooth and swift. Your biggest is going to be that sprint mode. So now you have a Grand Touring here. If you want to give it a race and see what happens.
Yeah, what happened?
Well, see, you got the right away now.
Oh well.
Too bad.
No, that's not a fair fight.
Yeah.
Okay, so the brake ratio changes depending on how fast you're going.
So it depends on what mode you're in. Yeah. So smooth is the most medium regen, and then sprint gives you the least amount of regen. So I'll give you that, so you can feel the difference between that. That's also going to be, obviously your most consumption is going to be through sprint mode, because that's where you're going to have the most acceleration.
Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, I can feel it.
Yep.
Yeah, the region's definitely a lot less. So the drive mode actually dictates the region.
Correct. Well, so it dictates a lot of it, as well as like what you can have it in high or standard.
Okay, so I can't have. Oh, so I can still have high with sprint.
Correct.
But the high on sprint
is different than the high
in swift.
Correct.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. So that actually gives me what? 6? Yeah, 6 different.
Yeah, 6 different drive modes. Yeah.
Okay.
hearing a constant hissing sound.
Yeah, I'm hearing that too. I'm not sure what.
Is it just this particular car or?
I'm not, because we drive this car all the time and I haven't heard that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's the AC.
Yeah.
It sounds like the AC.
Okay, if you turn the AC off,
Yeah.
let's try it. Yep.
Yeah,
that's
it's
it.
the AC.
That's it. That's the AC.
That's weird.
That's fine. Yeah.
但它这整片是蛮好看的，没错，跟 Model X 一样。只是我觉得这样子的话，我不知道会不会很晒
不知道这边欠的。
对，很明显，这一台呢是它大电池的部分。那大电池的部分，大家会注意到它的底比较高，因为它这边多加了两块电池在中间，所以后面相对来说坐的时候呢，你的坐姿、你的空间相对反而会感觉脚比较高的关系，所以你会觉得好像空间相对来说少了一点。但是头部空间表现也还算蛮好的，大概一个拳头，对，一个拳头不到，因为你好像是坐姿高了，包括椅子好像也有高一点点，没有吗？就主要是底，对。开门是这里开的，窗户。你觉得怎么样？
非常好。这个车子开起来，它的操控性跟它的舒适性是取得一个蛮好的平衡。然后速度来讲，比我想象的要慢。
因为它车子比较大，也比较重。
那它的 spec 说0到60多少
？4多。
对啊，感觉
3.8嘛，3.8的3.，
感觉
3.8，
感觉稍微 initial 就一开始的时候，一离开停止的时候还不错，但后来就稍微慢下来，它的加速就会感觉慢了下来一点。
对，
但整体来讲，这个车觉得很好，很扎实，然后开起来很舒服，我坐在后面也不会感觉跳动什么东西，所以感觉蛮好的。
其实我必须讲，因为它的主打的这个应该是 Model S 这个等级，我觉得它做的比 Model S 好。
Yes，
对，第一个我们没有感觉到里头好像哩哩啦啦的东西会震动，第二个它的隔音相对来说比较好。整体上来说，我觉得它比 Model S 稳很多。
你有最新开过吗？
有，就 Long Range， 我有开过 Model S Long Range， 新的版本。
OK，
而且它的稳很多，意思就是说你会感觉它一方面可能是车子比较重吧，我记得它的车子比较重，我要查一下，但是它给我的感觉是它比较贴地，跟 Model S 比起来它比较贴地。那另外一个是明显的后座的这个空间比 Model S 大，对，而且是大很多。像我们都坐在后头的话，我的膝盖到那个椅背基本上还有2个拳头的距离，所以我觉得有兴趣的朋友们真的可以来试试看。当然它的相对来说价钱也比 Model S 贵，因为它最基本款的起价就是大概88000块钱美金左右了。那你再加一些其他的东西的话，你可能是平均一台是9万到10万左右。但是它以里头的工设计会感觉比较高级。
感觉是比较
高级，对，所以有兴趣的朋友们可以来他们的这个展示厅来试车，基本上他们随时都有车子上市，你只要到网上打个电话跟他登记一下就可以了。好，那今天的试车到这里，我真的觉得这台车蛮好，因为我刚刚在试的时候也有在跟 Jack 讲说，我非常有可能今天就会下单这种东西，但是我还是有点要把自己。不要太激动。对，好，大家有什么问题的话，欢迎在下面留言告诉我，帮他回答。如果还想看什么样的影片的话，也在下面告诉我。喜欢我的影片，记得按赞、订阅、按下小铃铛，以及把我影片分享出去哦。这是我朋友 Jack， 是胡老板，我们下次见喽，拜拜，
拜拜。